In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Tabnine, Codeium, and GitHub Copilot for your coding needs. Selecting the right AI coding assistant can make a huge difference in productivity, and I'm here to help you understand which one fits best for your requirements. Let's begin with GitHub Copilot, widely regarded as the most mature AI coding assistant on the market. One of its main strengths is its remarkable code autocomplete and generation capabilities, which are seamlessly integrated into various development environments. Whether you're working in VS Code, JetBrains IDEs, Visual Studio, Xcode, or even NeoVim, GitHub Copilot offers deep integration with these platforms, providing a smooth and efficient coding experience. Additionally, it supports multiple models, including those from OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google, making it a robust choice for diverse applications. GitHub Copilot's strong agent workflows and code review features are particularly beneficial for robust and well-organized development processes. However, it's important to be mindful of the costs. The paid plans can become expensive for heavy users, and they are transitioning towards usage-based billing in 2026. The free plan is also somewhat limited in terms of completions and chat requests. This makes GitHub Copilot an excellent choice for professional software engineers, teams already entrenched in the GitHub ecosystem, and developers handling large repositories. Next up is Codeium, also known as Windsurf. This is one of the strongest free AI coding tools available today. A significant advantage of Codeium is that many of its plans offer unlimited code completions, allowing for fast and efficient suggestions across projects. Its Windsurf IDE is designed to provide an AI-first development experience, which can be incredibly beneficial for creating seamless workflows. Furthermore, Codeium offers robust chat and code explanation features that can greatly enhance understanding during the development process. However, it's crucial to note that while Codeium is strong, its suggestions can sometimes fall short compared to Copilot on more complex projects. Moreover, its enterprise ecosystem is not as developed as GitHub's. This tool is highly recommended for students, freelancers, and developers who seek maximum value without incurring costs. Many beginners are drawn to Codeium because it offers powerful AI coding assistance without the immediate need for a monthly subscription, making it a smart, low-risk option for learning and side projects. Finally, we have Tabnine, a tool with a significant emphasis on privacy and security. Tabnine offers self-hosted and private deployment options, making it particularly popular with enterprises that cannot send their source code to external cloud services. It supports numerous IDEs and programming languages, ensuring versatility across different development environments. However, it's important to be aware that Tabnine's code generation capabilities aren't quite as advanced as Copilot's when tackling complex tasks. Its AI ecosystem is smaller, and the chat and agent capabilities lag behind the latest offerings from Copilot and Windsurf. This makes Tabnine an ideal choice for companies with strict compliance requirements and those operating within financial, healthcare, and highly regulated enterprise environments, where privacy is prioritized over cutting-edge AI features. In conclusion, your choice between Tabnine, Codeium, and GitHub Copilot should be guided primarily by your specific needs and environmental constraints. Consider the strengths, weaknesses, and best use scenarios we've covered today to make an informed decision. Happy coding!